Alright, we're going to do a little bit different scrapping taking apart video today. I found this a while back. Obviously, it's a safety ladder used, you know, in case your house catches on fire, you can get out, all that other good stuff. Now, the thing is, it's kind of gnarled up and it's old, and I could probably give it to somebody who might need it, but I don't know. If it didn't work or it broke or something, I would feel bad. So, I just usually take them apart. And really, the only thing on it worth anything is that, which is aluminum. But I'm going to show you how to take it apart. Like, subscribe, share. Okay. Now, I start out, of course, obviously, by trying to take these things off steps. And all you need is something really durable for cutting. And I say that as these things don't want to work now. But you gotta do this, do a little bit of this. Go. Okay. Now it took a little bit, obviously, but then you have these things. And I'm going to show you how to pop these things off. And basically you just have straight aluminum, if you're looking for straight aluminum. Okay. Now you can use a screwdriver or whatever else you have. I've used screwdrivers and, you know, other things. But all you do is this. Wedge that in there, of course, and there you go. And with this side, of course. Alright. Here you go. One clean piece of aluminum. Suitable for melting or bringing back for recycling. Ta-da! And I would do all of them like that, but it'd be an incredibly long and boring video. But that's all you have to do. Like, subscribe, share. Alright, I have about 20 seconds to show you I got about a pound or so of aluminum out of there. So, there you go. Maybe you don't want to take it apart, but hey, it's all pure aluminum. Like, subscribe, share. Goodbye.